So we recall that a number divisible by 3, we can just add the digits up, and the digits have to, whatever that is, the sum of the digits has to be divisible by 3. All right, so first of all, how many 5-digit numbers are divisible by 3? All right, so let's look at our 5-digit numbers. The smallest number I could, just having a look, the smallest number I could possibly have that's 5 digits would be 10000. That's the smallest, and it goes all the way to the largest number I can have would be 99999. All right, and if you think about it, every third number is going to be divisible by 3 because 10,000. If I can think of how many numbers are in there, and then go through and divide by 3, every third one in this package is going to be divisible by 3. So what I can do is say, all right, so I'm going to see how many numbers are there. So there's that many numbers minus 9,999, so one less. That's how many numbers there are. If I divide by 3 to see how many 3s are in there are 30,000. So there's 30,000 5-digit numbers that are divisible by 3. If I then look at B, so we've still got 5-digit numbers, but we're not allowed to use zeros, and it's got to be divisible by 3. All right, so if I just go, well, there are 9 choices for the first one, 9 choices for the second, 9 choices for the third, digit-wise, because we can't have 0. And then this last digit I'll make it so that it is a number that's divisible by 3. So can you imagine, for example, say we had 1111, that's 4. So I could make this number 2 because that would be 6, and that's divisible by 3. Or I can add 3 more to 2 and instead make this number 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's divisible by 3. Or I could add another 3 and make this number 8. And then again, that is going to, of course, be divisible by 3. Or, for example, let's go 1, 2, 5, 4. So if I do that, I've got 10, 11, 12. That's already divisible by 3. So the last number could be, I'll just put another 3 there, or a 6 or a 9. So you can see there are 3 options for that one as well. It doesn't really matter what we try. Let's try 8888. So 4 8s are 32. So if I put a 1 for the last number, that would now be 33. So that works. Or I could have put a 4 instead. So that's 36. That works. Or I could put a 7. You see, I'm just adding 3 each time. So there's always 3 digits we could use. So there's a choice of 3 here that would then make the digits add up to a number that is divisible by 3. So the total number of options then would be 19683 for numbers divisible by 3, but we can't use a 0. All right, so C, again, we can't use a 0, and we're looking for numbers that are divisible by 2, so really just even numbers. So again, you can think about it. There are 5 digits. Let's have 9 choices, 9 choices, 9 choices, 9 choices. Now, to make it an even number out of all the digits, I could have here for this number, I could have a 2. That would make it even, or a 4, or a 6, or an 8, and they would all be even numbers. So there's 4 choices for that one. So in total, that's 26244 of those 5-digit whole numbers with no zeros that are divisible by 2. All right, so what about the last one? 5-digit whole numbers with no zeros, but this time they're divisible by 6. So what we have to think about is if it's divisible by 6, it's the ones that are even, and they're also divisible by 3. So it's like they're divisible by 2 and 3 in order to be divisible by 6. All right, so again, think about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's not worry about our 3 middle digits. Let's use this last one to think about how it could be divisible by 2. So remember, this number here could be a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8, and then it would be a nice even number. So let's say there are 4 choices. That makes it even. And let's have a look at this number and just put the digit in that we need for it to be divisible by 3. So remember, when we had 4 digits from our B question, once we had the 4 digits in, we had a choice of 3 different digits to still make it divisible by 3. So if we put all that together, we get, I'll just put it down here, 8748. Another way to think about that one would be to take the answer to C, which was all these even ones here. And every 3 of these ones would also be divisible then by 6. So we could take that 26244 and just divide by 3. And we would still get the same answer. So different ways to think about it.